You too. How are you? It's Picker Pallet Dave here. We're on location. We're about to go scope out our second pallet. We did good. The first one, we still got some stuff to sell, but we made our money back, made a little profit. Now we're trying to go for another pallet to keep up in the game. So let's get into this. Let's go inside. All right, we're inside. We do some shopping. All these pallets. This one looks cool to me. Got some more expensive ones, some bigger ones over there. Let's see what I come up with. Wow, we got a lot of stuff today. Let's check it out. All right, there's 300 bucks worth of stuff there. Well, 350, but the keyboard doesn't count. That's for a Christmas present. Let's go check this stuff out. All right, guys, we got 2 more pallets in. And this is all the stuff we got, as you saw us at the pallet place. I apologize for the display. It's all in my living room right now. Just brought it in the house. I'm gonna get into this. We're gonna see what these unknown brown boxes are. Everything else was pretty much out on the table, so on the pallet, so I know what it is, got a good feeling what it's worth. But the unknown brown boxes, let's see. We'll see you guys soon. All right, quick thing, never trust the packaging. Always test your stuff if you're getting it in Amazon returns, because this just looked like it worked. It was brand new. Nobody opened it. I didn't trust that, so I opened it up, and if you can see there's a bunch of stuff. It's not working. No mode, nothing. So here's another one. Unfortunately not working. This would have been a nice flip, but you're always going to get some of them in boxes. Let's get back. All right, we're going to take you guys on this mystery box. It says Cara. I don't know what that is. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, more lock sets. Great. Okay, so this is like a deadbolt code system. All right. Inside handle. Outside handle with the key. All right. Now, I wonder if the key's in here. So the cards, and we have a key set. All right. Not bad find. Check out that value. We'll get back with you guys. Wow, we got some good news. As you just saw, the last 2 pallets we picked up. We wanted to wait a little bit, give you an update, sell some stuff. But here's what we got. The first pallet we spent $145 on. We have $360 from that pallet. So $215 profit on pallet number 1, and still some stuff to sell. So that is a $215. Then we went back, we decided to invest a little bit because these next 2 pallets look good. Spent $300 on the next 2 pallets, And so far, the second pallet we picked up, the one with the mixer, stuff like that, was $165, and right now we're at $210 off of that, so $45 profit off that pallet. And the last pallet, Pallet 3, because I wanted to keep a couple of the items, the camera gear for filming and helping me edit, and the backpack, we are at, it was $100, $110. We have $100 in sales right now, so we didn't lose too much. We still got a couple items to sell, like the tie downs, the radio, so we'll make our money back. We'll get at least like $50-$60 profit off that. But thank you guys for watching. We're gonna go back, get some more pallets. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Till next time, keep pallet picking.